Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm too good. You?
Yeah, actually, I was not good in morning, but when I just listened your audio clip, and I was really feeling so much over the phone, over the moon. Now I'm completely fit and fiddle. So
Thank
now
you, ma'am.
you can guess that I'm so much happy to meet you.
Thank you. Me too.
Thank
I
you.
really want to talk with you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, could you please tell me your name?
Yeah, my name is Bhageshri. My surname is Ballari. I'm studying in ninth class now.
Wow, your name is Bhagyashri.
Yes, Bhageshri.
Bhagyashri.
What is his name?
I'm pronouncing it in a correct way, Bhagyashri.
Bhageshri. Yes, correct. Yes,
Okay, that's cool. Really, thank you so much and beautiful name you have. My name
thank
is
you.
Mrs. Richa Jan.
Yes,
I am from India. I live in Delhi and
yes.
I'm a teacher. I'm teaching in school. I teach mathematics as well as I'm teaching in NGO English speaking course.
Oh,
Apparently,
nice.
I'm a blogger. I provide motivational speech, and my motto is I want to become motivational speaker.
Nice, nice. Your intention is very good. How long be you being you teaching now?
Okay.
How long been you teaching?
Okay. Before pandemic, I had started my English teaching journey before couple of years. Okay, but because of pandemic has changed completely changed in every life, so that's why I also had lost my job because I had not laptop. So I had lost my job. But that was really awesome in my life. I just started my new life, relate English stuff, and I just started my English learning skills. And now I am able to speak in English. I hope you are understanding to my English. My English is not too much good, but I'm also trying to do my
You
best.
are preferring more and more good videos, and I love your videos.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhagyashri. Okay. So, first of all, sorry for that. I just forgot, Bhagyashri. I just forgot because I was feeling so much happy, and that's why I just forgot to greets you. So, good afternoon, Bhagyashri, with us, and definitely you're the most welcome at this platform, Awesome Blossom English Learner. Seriously, we are really happy to having you. Seriously.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Actually, I must say to you, thank you because of you. Just give me opportunity to
Yes,
join.
also my opportunity to learn English to improve my skills of learning English.
You also trying to learn your English communications.
Yes. Uh,
Oh, why are you making me fool? You also trying to learn English communications.
yes, I'm trying to learn in communication and to improve my vocabulary, like American accent. My brother also trying to improve his vocabulary, like a British accent. He brings things from 6 months ago. He's learning English. Now he went to school.
Wow, that's really awesome. Really awesome. So, how many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, my sister and my brother. Both are elder.
You are
Have
thinking to improve
in
English.
family, in our family there are 21 people. You know,
Oh my God.
family
21 members. Miss, you are living together in joint family?
is joint family. I have a mother. I have a two siblings.
Okay. Really nice to meet you. Seriously, nowadays no one living together, but you are living together with 21 of members in the family. So it is really awesome. Hats out of
Okay.
your mother.
How many members are there?
Huh?
In your family, how many members are there?
Okay. In my families, actually we are living 7 members together. My
Yes.
mother, my lovely mother-in-law, actually she so much loves me as a mom, as a friend. I really love my mother-in-law. So in my family, my mother-in-law and me, my husband, and my 4 children, 2 daughter. I have 2 angel, 2 champs.
Yes, that's really nice. How old are they now?
Okay. Uh, my elder angel is 20, around 20 years old, and my second angel is 17 years old, and my third champ is 13 years old, and my fourth naughty champ is in 11 years old. I just forgot. Oh my god.
Oh, they are really good. I think so. They are intelligent.
Yeah.
I
Actually, as you are also angel, so angel is always so intelligent. Same here
yes.
with me as well. My
You
both
also
angel.
am.
Oh my god. No, no, I'm not like look like that. You seriously, you are so intelligent.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to you. Okay. So my angel, both angels so much intelligent. Then boy. Okay, then my champ. Okay, and
Yes.
my boss chap is also so much intelligent. But thing is that actually, boy is so much naughty, and that's
Yes.
why their both has mind not working on the studies. Yeah, if you just give the phone, definitely they also can give the solution on anything. So
Yes. Yes.
so much, uh, so much
Yes.
smart modern technology.
They have no more. They have already more knowledge in mobiles. Nowadays children are like that only.
Yes, absolutely.
Nowadays children are very intelligent. In this technology, they will adapt very easily and very closely with the people in social media also. They always like to play the games much more than attending classes.
Yes, of course, why not? So, Bhagyashri, I just got a question. Could I ask 2 questions?
Okay.
Okay. So you said that because of social media, nowadays children so much making us smart. Am I right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I have a moon. Shall we continue our topic
Okay.
on the social media?
English speaking group.
No, I'm talking about the social media. Like, what do you think about the social media? That you just preferring to social media. So we also can keep our thoughts. What do you think about your thoughts? I want to know about your thoughts because actually you are having around 12 or 13 of age. Am I right?
No, I'm 14 years old.
You are 14 years old. Okay, I just, I was guessing. Sorry for that. I didn't aware about it. That you are 14 years old. Miss, you are teenager, completely teenager. So I can get to know easily that what do you think? Social media is really perfect for teenagers or not?
But this is not perfectly, but we should adapt earlier than 18 years, right? That will make us to adapt in future. That will make us to use that will use in our future. Like we have a lot of big future in our life. Um, I have a big intention in my life to applicable in this social media. I have a lot of intention in my future that will make me so helpfulness. Just I had two groups in my mobile to learn English. I have got so many people from other countries. So some people are bad. They make fun of us because of we don't know much more English. But I never bother about that one. I just tell them and I just block them. They make lots of fun, but I don't mind about that one. And some people may have make us too happy, and some people may love us, some people may make fun of us. I never mind about that one.
Wow, that's really amazing, really amazing. Miss, you wanna say something that you are using right now WhatsApp two groups, okay? And why you are using WhatsApp group? Just because of you want to improve your English communications, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, like, could you please tell me when you just joined those group? So you also had taken permissions by your parent?
Yes, I really had not take any permission. My brother has made me to attend those both groups. I didn't take any permission, but I told my mom about that group. She told me if that is good means you should do that one. If that is not good means you don't do anything. She just warned me. She used to warn me because
Okay.
of will care us.
Of course, of course. Yeah, parent always, parent always care to the children. So they always concern about their, care and secure, like they also like will save or not. That's why. So
Yes.
could you please tell me like like what did you do when like right now your purpose is really great, but you are a kid and you are a teenager, like your age is only 14, and because a lot of actually nowadays what happened by the WhatsApp or by any another platforms, when we also use and we have purpose to learn something. So in these situations what happened, that we know our purpose is for learning process, okay, or maybe like we are using that application just because of only for process to continue to gain something, to gain knowledge like that. So that's why we have to download those applications, okay. But my age is 35, so I know very well what is the right, what is the wrong for me, and I have to do that, I have to continue that or not. So that's I can take a decisions for myself, and I know very well because I am mature, I have so much experience. So I can think that okay, just avoid that, just avoid that, just do it, okay. So my question is that if you are facing any kind of like miss, you faced any kind of problem.
No, I didn't.
Okay. So in WhatsApp.
Yes, so many boys have already contacted me privately. I just block them. Some may use us to learn English with us. Some may have a bad character. Yes, I used to block them.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is the actually best way. If you want to learn, if you want to learn anything, and your purpose is you already had decided, because you are human beings. Definitely, people also can meet you bad or good. Both are they will meet you. Okay, but if you are getting a good people, so definitely just try to make friends. Just try to make increase your not only friend list. Not talking about the friend list. I'm talking about the learner friends, okay, so that of course you also can too much motivate, and you also can select those company, and they also having same intentions like you. And in these situations of course you also can think so much positive, and you also can keep yourself on the right way, right?
Yes, they also have a good thinking. They also have a good intention in their life. They have lots of good thinking, but they will come to us to learn English with us. Some may have lots of bad characters. They just came to. I don't say. I don't tell that one. I just faced a lot of bad characters people. I just block them. They always trying to make us so much bad things, but I never mind that because
That's
of mother also tell me about what is good, what is wrong. Yes, uh, I just hear her and I make to hear advice.
okay. Yeah, of course, of course. First thing is, I would like to appreciate you first. Seriously, you deserve that. You deserve that. This admire. And seriously, that you are only you are only 14 years old, and you are in ninth standard. And firstly, seriously, you are speaking, your skills, your English, your accent, your style, and your innocent speaking. I really so much love it. I really so much love it. Second thing is why I'm appreciating to you, because you are really very positive. You
Yes,
are really positive. I like
yes.
that. Third thing is
So with the positive thing, we can't do anything, right?
I,
So with positive thinking only we should make something, we would make something. If we are very bad thinking, if we are very what's that feeling in our heart only that we can't able to make anything. Yes,
absolutely. So second thing is about your positive nature. I like that. Third thing is like you know how to deal with the bad people. Okay, when you just got any kind of messages or call directly, and they're also sending to you some stupid stuff, and you also prefer only and only two things. First things, as you already considered, only one, that about the blog persons.
yes.
It's okay. I do Khanka video.
I
Second is
I don't block. I don't leave any groups because I may get some more people's good peoples. I have get one American lady. She have two children. No, three children. Uh, she will tell me she could make to learn so many English vocabulary.
what is the name, huh?
Tani. Yeah, you know her. I think so. You already there in that group. You know this chat
Okay,
group.
I don't know about that American lady, but I know that Pam. Actually, Pam. Actually, I also had made a conversation with her.
No. Yes. I used to make a voice chat, voice record in WhatsApp.
Not audible to me.
No, I just telling that I used to conversation with her in voice record in WhatsApp only.
Okay. So, first thing is, I would suggest you, as you already did, block to the person. Second,
Yes.
I would like to say only one thing: when you are facing this type of people and so much, they also trying to harass you. They also trying to harass you, or they may be like harassing means like they also can call you directly, video call, voice messages, or message texting messages, and they also can do stupid bad stuff like bad pictures as well. So in these situations, what will you do? Just try to first of all clear the chat and just try to block that person. If that
I first
if
I will block that person.
that's cool. if in this situation that person again trying to connect with you, so just try to only one thing, block report that person's report by the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
In these situations you also can keep yourself as a motivate, as a positive, and of course you cannot be distract whenever you will, whenever you will feel like your mind is so much disturbing about those people, so just don't think about those people, just think about you. What is the
Okay.
purpose do you have? Okay.
Yes.
So okay, second questions I would like to ask you that as I already taught you that what will you do in this situation, you already actually so much smarter that you don't have need to take solution and tricks. But yeah, you also can report those people. Okay. But suppose I'm a bad boy. Suppose I'm just giving the example. I'm just giving the example.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. We both are. I'm a bad lady. Suppose because I'm a girl, so I am a bad lady. And right now we both are connecting to each other. And because before that, before that you didn't know about me. Okay.
Yes.
I also didn't know you.
Yes.
Your intention so good. Your intention so good. But my intentions you don't know what kind of intentions I have. Okay.
Yes.
So in the beginning of time, when I just say to you, I wanna talk with you, I wanna like that, I wanna like that. In this situation, when you are feeling so much comfortable, just try to continue. Okay. When you are feeling atmosphere, environment, and you are feeling that you are getting something knowledge on the English communications, on the skills, on the speaking skills. If you are getting knowledge, it is okay. But
Okay.
in the second step, maybe sometimes some people, outwardly so much innocent, but innerly so much power. Their
Yes.
intention is so bad. And in this situation, suddenly, suppose I'm just giving the example so that you can understand easily. Okay. Right now, we both are we both are communicating to each other. Okay. We both are discussing to each other. And I just say, like, Bhageshwari, that you're really so much gorgeous and you're looking so beautiful. And it is okay. You're like, they all everyone saying like this type of compliment. Okay, it is okay. But if they suppose if I will say to you, Bhakishri, Bhakishri, actually you're really good, your English is so good. Okay, so could you please call with me daily? Okay, so in these situations what kind of answers do you have?
I have just I used to tell I don't. Sorry, I can't. Just firstly, I used to tell sorry, I can't. If there's forcing me means uh, what you want from me. I just ask what you want from me.
This is a really very great questions. Okay, now I just got it your intentions. Okay, now second situations. Okay, first when I just say to you, could you please call me on the video on daily basis? So you just say that you don't, you cannot, and you just asking the questions. What do you want from me? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Now my answer is I want you. I want you because I want to make friendship with you.
Yes, friendship means it's okay, but other things means I don't.
Okay, okay. Now, third situations. Okay. After all questions, I will tell you that you are going really good. You are doing actually good or not. Okay. Now, in third situations. Okay.
Okay.
I have a I have a boy, and that boy is 15 years old. Okay, and that boy loves you. Listen, that boy loves you. Do you wanna meet him?
No, I don't.
Absolutely. Oh my God. Seriously, seriously. This is the thing I want to share to everyone. Audience, please just try to listen this audio clip. Please just try to listen this audio clip. If someone is trying to, sweet way of talking, just try to capture the intention first. If someone is trying to, without any intentions, without any things, and that person also saying to you, I want to video call, I want to friendship with you, and I love you, I like you, it is okay, but just try to capture the intentions. Okay, if you will feel a little bit bad and you are not comfortable with those people, so please just try to avoid this type of conversations. Okay, because you also can learn by yourself. If you have intentions to learn something, definitely you can do that. If there is a girl 14 years old and she also can say no, I cannot, I do not, what kind of intentions do you have, what do you want from me? Okay, so just try to concentrations on your answer. And second thing is, just try to think, just try to use your mindset, what
Yes.
kind of intentions you are having, social media. So in this situation, what when you just to take a decisions by your mind's essence, definitely no one, actually no one can harass you, no one can drag you on the bad way. So I just only and only I just teach to the only this session especially for teenagers. And I
Yes.
really love Hakeshiri because you reply very well. I didn't have any kind of expectations, when I just say to you that you want to make a video conversation with me, I was thinking that you are interested or not, and you are agreeing or not, and maybe your intentions maybe can be wrong. So now by this conversation and by this video, you also can say no. I also had attained of one sessions with Richa ma'am. At that time, she also like you already did, or reply. You already did replies really good, really amazing, but you have to stuck on that. If someone is, earlier time what happened, people also saying, okay, I have a toffee and chocolates, do you wanna like it? And children also saying, yes, I wanna take it. I love melodies, I love chocolate. But today's what happened, because now chocolate is normal for every children. Okay,
Yes.
but children so much
Es-
crave. What?
Especially for kids.
Exactly.
Chocolate.
Absolutely. But nowadays, children's not demanding to the chocolate. Children's demanding so much influence on the phone, on the social media, and that's why sometimes, if both two peoples are doing video conversation, and sometimes I also saw a lot of things that a lady, a boy, or man, or a boy, they also saying, okay, just remove your dress, okay, just remove your dress, just try to, like that, I just try to do that, don't do that, don't. If you just, yeah, if you, if someone is saying to you, please just do it, just say, just discount that conversation. Trying, just Bhagyashri, please, like just wear the fancy dress, just wear the sleeveless dress, just wear the deep neck of dress, and just wear the like western dresses when you will call me on the video sessions, because your intentions to making a practice, your intention is not looking your dress. Okay.
Some kind of girls also like this only. In our India, so many girls are like this only. right? And have you faced these kind of situations?
Yeah, I faced these situations once when I just started my English journey. And because by that English journey, I just met unknown people or stranger people. And I also made a video conversation once when I just started my YouTube channel. At that time, person also saying to me, this is the real, actually, I'm sharing to you real example. That's why I had experience, and that I'm really very mature. I have so much experience. So at that time, I'm so much mature. I just take a decision from my mindset, and I just know it's not a good way. Like your intention is not like that. So I just block to that person. So, but you why I want to
What
share
you in what in that time?
I share with you all things. I share with, but that's why when I just listen to you and you're really really amazing. So I don't want to do that. If you just face this problem, so just try to take a decisions very good way, very just use your sense, not your heart. Okay, someone is can spoil you, someone can drag you, someone can uh, you know killing your emotions and feeling like that, because
Yes,
this age is really really important. 14 of age, when the 14 age is started at that time. Please, your voice is not audible to me. When
uh,
14 now.
okay. They try to melt our heart with emotional feelings, try to make us, but we should not be.
Absolutely. Directly on the video, and I just blocked to that person. I didn't, I do not prefer to attain. If someone is called to me video call directly, I do not like it. If it means that person is actually bad, that person has intentions very bad. Okay, means someone is calling to you directly video or directly call you, it is not a manner. It is actually not a manner. If that person think that you are really very intelligent, you are really so much genius, so of course you also can message to that person personally, and you
Yes,
also can ask easily that ma'am and brother, sister, sir, any. Okay, yeah, sir, I want to talk with you, could you please make a conversation with me? So in this situation it is okay. It's mean that person has having a manner. Okay, that person has having manner. But if anyone call directly, no matter that person is calling to you video or audio, no matter is about the intentions. It means that person actually hasn't any kind of manners to talk with someone. Okay, so in these situations, if someone is calling to you only audio or directly, it is okay. Avoid that. Just try to make a conversation. But if that person is starting calling to you daily basis, and you just think that person is not making a not any topic, not like this, that your timing is killing, and you are not actually, you are not able to concentrations on your mind on your sorry, you are not able to concentrations on your studies, and because of that persons that your timing is passing away. So
yes,
it's mean you should actually, you must avoid that persons. You must say to that person directly, please don't call me. Whenever you just call me, at my time has spoiled, my time always dying, and that's why I couldn't study. So I have to focus on the studies. I have a lot of household chores, so please just don't call me. Whenever I will get time, I just call to you. And after that, in the second way, if that persons again call you, so in these situations, please just try to block, and just try to, if that if that person uh, if that person is unknown or stranger for you, that person is a virtual. So definitely in this situation, just try to block or report them. Okay.